This is a 2010 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, a limited slip differential, skid plates, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an integrated tailgate step, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, external temperature display, a keyless entry system, and an automatic climate control system. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Vernon Auto Group is located at 2803 Wilbarger Street in Vernon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.